fucking bicycles. Fucking hate these pricks on bicycles. Why would you want to ride a fucking bicycle on the Gold Coast? Take your fucking life in your hands. Fitness my ass. Go to the fucking gym, get fit. Fucking hell.
Oh, I did a skid!
Act your age. Get a car.
Crow. This crow is using the crossing. Stoppers. Down marked one as well. Allowed to have a sticker over the top of your bloody number plate, mate. Here's another late lane changer. Turning from the straight lane. Oh no, he's doing a fucking illegal U-turn. Well done, buddy. From the fucking straight lane too. Pretty good. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking unbelievable. This shit going on with a truck driver. Now the truckie's illegally going in the next lane. That's speeding. Oh, okay. That looks like a car has gone ploughing through there. What a dickhead. What a dickhead. What are you doing, mate? Trying to fucking run the bicycle rider over? You need to lock the video. That's already done. It's already locked. Still so I don't know. Let's see what happens there. What's this guy doing? He doesn't even fucking know what lane he wants. 061 YUW. Oh, for fuck's sake, really? Fucking hell, turn a corner, man. Headlights would be good, mate.
Oh my God, it just disappeared! It's a ghost car!
Oh, what is that kid doing out on a scooter at this time of night? What's the kid doing? Of course. Wrong fucking lane, didn't you? Oh, good one, darling. What a dickhead. What a dickhead. Oh, there's another good one. Straight through the red. Oh, look at this dickhead. 321 ET5. Hey, good on you, buddy. Oi! Don't cut the corner! And a typical Pete later.
A few moments later.
Where does it get them for all their speed? Doesn't get them anywhere. Nowhere at all. dickhead. Oh, you fucking idiot. You fucking twit. What a fucking knob jockey. Oh, come on, dickhead. What are you doing? You don't know. Well, yeah, I knew it. Good way to die, mate. Good way to die. Oi, you fucking idiot.